Welcome to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days, guys. Welcome to our brand new show, guys. This year, we're coming in now. I'm coming in with Bitcoin Climate. It's going to be a shorter video than Crypto Climate, and we're just going to exclusively focus on Bitcoin. And now with Crypto Climate, we're going to shift a little bit. We're going to talk more about crypto overall, the DXY as usual, but we're going to also cover altcoins and the Bitcoin dominance and things of that nature. Do some TA on coins like Ethereum, BNB, Cardano. It's going to be more focused on altcoins and crypto overall, where Bitcoin Climate is going to be a video just focusing on Bitcoin's price action, in the next couple of days, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Don't forget, like this video, guys. If you enjoy this type of informative content, like it. Helps the algorithm, other people find our channel and inform themselves about cryptocurrency. And also click the subscribe button. Just click there, click on the notification bell to stay tuned to our fresh off the press educational and informative videos, guys. So we do see here, wow, what a massive development in the fear and greed index, guys. We went from orange fear to basically gold fear, sort of like gold. Still fear in the market, but close to that middle point, shifting strongly, guys, for the first time in a while. Look at that. We've been talking for weeks, what it seems for months, just consolidating sideways, talking about that 40 as that previous pivot high, guys, and we just blasted through. Currently at 46, incredible. 47 is that pivotal next, local high here, pivot a point here, as we can see back in August of last year, 2022, guys. So this was the first step, and now we're above it. Now we'll most likely retrace in the next couple of weeks. Anything is possible. It can keep going up, but if we do retrace, then we need to make a higher low. So anything higher than 20, and 31 is gonna be that support, and then if it breaks that 20 is going to continue to be key just to make a higher low, guys. And this 46, we have to wait and see. There's a lot of bullish sentiment. In 10 hours and a half, it comes through with a new reading. It might break that 47 just one away and make a new local high. It can be the start towards a shift in the trend. That doesn't mean bull market now, breaking new Bitcoin all-time highs, but these are the signs that you want to see come back into the market to have an idea, of when we're going to see like that shift, later on this year. So, good things, great things for the Bitcoin fear and greed index, guys. So immediately with regards to Bitcoin's price, wow, massive move, guys. Look at all this volatility, guys. Wow, 20,848 per Bitcoin. Look at that. We're having a wick here. We're struggling to get to that previous resistance of $21,510, struggling just a little bit. Candle still positive, bullish green, as we can see. But this is a pivot high, the local high previous to the FTX crash and the FTX scandal. So we've come all the way back up to this point. We haven't touched or broken it yet, so we have to wait and see if Bitcoin's going to have enough juice to do so. But I just want to give a little bit of a warning, in a sense where no one knows what's going to happen. It can continue on, it can continue pumping, you never know, right? But that's what indicators are here for. And basically what the indicators are saying is that we're overbought. We haven't been this overbought since, look at that, guys, January 9th of 2021. Guys, 2 years ago was the last time we've been this overbought, guys. Wow, just a massive move, massive momentum into the markets, but at the same time, a lot of euphoria. People are getting the hype, and coins going up 100%, 200%, and things pumping. Bitcoin's up 25% in just in under a week, and all these $1,000 candles. That's all good and well. It's nice, to feel good. Bear market, it's been a while. Volatile movement in the market. Dynamic market. That's good. That's exciting. But at the same time, got to be careful. A lot of people coming in now, and then they come in and they get burned. Once we do see that retracement, sometimes retraces, stay up here and the market keeps going up, but sometimes we have that move back to the mean, before retracing, and then we have that next wave up usually. So just keep that in mind, guys. I just want be careful out there. Don't get too emotional. We do see the stochastic also, it has nowhere to go but retrace a little bit. That momentum is waning a little bit, so keep it in mind. And then the MFI as well, we're stretching it around 95. Wow, we haven't been up here since again October 2021. So keep all this in mind, man. That's the point of TA, using the indicators to measure momentum. It doesn't mean necessarily that, 100% with certainty that we're going to have that retrace, but it's something to keep in mind, guys. It's always something to keep in mind. Then we have, the weekly here. Wow, what a massive weekly candle. Look at that. We broke out of the descending channel here, breaking above the 20-week moving average as well, and breaking above that $18,500 key resistance level. The candle closes tomorrow. Looks green, positive, bullish, strong. Looks like it's going to close up here one way or another, but so, just stay tuned. Look at that. Strong candle. Breaking resistances, breaking moving averages towards the upside, breaking patterns and trends and descending channels and things. When you see that, strong move. So, next week is going to be a pivotal week to see, we hold up here above the key resistances, or we come back down to test them at support as well. So stay tuned, on the weekly. Bitcoin dominance, we do see a clear reverse for the past week. Massive reverse. We're here in what could be seen either as an ascending channel or a part of a bigger bear flag as well. So we're going to continue to monitor this pattern here to see what plays out. But at least for now, it seems that most likely we're going to come up here to test the top part of this ascending channel per se. So right now that's around that 43.4% on the Bitcoin dominance. Right now we're currently at around 43%, and the next resistance is 44%. So, we're in an upswing here. Bitcoin staying dominant with regards to altcoins in a way, and also stablecoin probably coming back into the market, the hype, the euphoria. Stablecoin loses market shares or market capitalization, and then it all comes back into Bitcoin, and then it dominates. So keep that in mind. But who knows, man? Who knows? Maybe all that stablecoin coming in now, then it reverses, and then you guys already know what happens. So be careful out there, guys. Don't forget, we have a link in the description down below, free educational playlist for you guys. So many educational videos here. Get a pen, a paper, a pencil, whatever you need. Dig in. We have presentations here, educational presentations, all a click away. And then we also have Twitter. Don't forget to follow on over there on our Twitter. Follow us. Great content out there. I would appreciate it. And now moving on, to BTC, the king, and its performance. As we can see here, Bitcoin at around $20,800, up 8% in the last 24 hours. As we can see here, market cap is up. The volume is up 50%, $44 billion in the last 24 hours. Market cap at around $400 billion, up 8% as well. So great move overall for Bitcoin, as we can see off the low, strong move. But we have to break this 21.5K. That's going to be the key in the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for that. So if you enjoy this content, informative content, Bitcoin climate, brand new show, like this video. It helps the algorithm, other people find this informative content. Also subscribe, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh, off the press, brand new videos, guys. Don't forget, link in the description if you need any tools, resources, crypto tools, crypto resources for you guys. Website link in the description down below, guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your attention, for your support. I hope you enjoy the show. I hope you guys have a good one.